students will research common methods of cyber attack and the corresponding defense strategies. They will compile a list of effective cybersecurity practices for individuals and organizations. Understand cyberattack basics. Define cyberattack. Start by defining cyberattacks as unauthorized attempts to access, damage, or disrupt digital systems or data. Discuss the importance of cybersecurity. Explain why understanding cyberattacks and defense strategies is crucial for protecting personal and organizational information. Research common cyberattack methods. Identify common cyberattack types. Have students research at least 4 to 5 common types of cyberattacks, including phishing, fraudulent emails or messages used to steal sensitive information, malware, malicious software, including viruses, worms, and ransomware that infects and damages systems. Denial of service, DOS, attack, flooding a network or website to make it inaccessible. Man-in-the-middle attack, MITM intercepting communication between two parties to steal or manipulate data. SQL injection, inserting malicious SQL code to access or manipulate databases. Describe each attack type. For each type, students should summarize how it works, including any typical signs of the attack. Research corresponding defense strategies. Identify defense mechanisms. Research common defense strategies for each type of attack, such as phishing protection, recognizing suspicious emails, enabling spam filters, and avoiding clicking on unknown links, antivirus and anti-malware, using software to detect, prevent, and remove malware, firewalls, setting up network firewalls to block unauthorized access, encryption, encrypting sensitive data to protect it from unauthorized access, particularly in MITM attacks, regular software updates, keeping systems and software updated to fix security vulnerabilities. Link strategies to attacks. For each attack type, describe the relevant defense strategies that can prevent or mitigate it. Compile cybersecurity practices for individuals and organizations. List effective cybersecurity practices. Based on their research, students should create a list of practical security practices organized into 2 categories. For individuals, include practices like using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, TUFA, and practicing safe browsing. For organizations, focus on more advanced strategies like network monitoring, employee cybersecurity training, and regular data backups. Explain the importance of each practice. Describe why each practice is effective and necessary for minimizing cyber risks. Create a presentation or report. Choose a format. Students can compile their findings in a report, PowerPoint presentation, or infographic. Organize content. Organize the information into clear sections. Introduction to cyber attacks. Briefly explain what cyber attacks are and why cybersecurity is important. Types of cyber attacks. Describe each attack type, how it works, and examples if available. Defense strategies. Outline effective defenses for each attack type. Cybersecurity practices. Provide a list of recommended practices for both individuals and organizations. Add visuals. Use diagrams, icons, or images to illustrate concepts. For instance, show a flowchart of a phishing attack or a graphic on steps for setting up TUFA. Review and edit. Peer review. Have students exchange their work with a peer for feedback on clarity and completeness. Ensure accuracy. Check that all information is accurate, especially technical details about attack methods and defense strategies. Proofread, review for grammar, spelling, and formatting consistency. Present findings, practice presentation. If students are presenting, have them practice explaining each cyber attack and defense strategy clearly. Encourage class discussion. After the presentation, facilitate a discussion on students' thoughts on cybersecurity and how they might apply these practices personally.